Everyone, my name is Akbar Nurmansyah, NIM 44241371.
Hello everyone, my name is Hizir Alwi, NIM 44241604. This
This
is
is
Project
Project
2.
2. Hello everyone, welcome back to our Akbar podcast. I am your host, and today we are going to about topic that often creates different opinions. Should smoking be allowed on campus? This topic we are our guest speaks we of study welcome.
Thank you for having me. It's great to be here.
Let's start with simple question. Do you think smoking should be allowed on campus?
Personally, I don't think smoking should be allowed on campus, especially in public areas like classroom, libraries, cafeterias, garden, or places where students usually gather. I'm not saying people should smoke at all. My point is that a university should be a safe, clean, and healthy place for everyone. When some when someone smoke in a public area, the smoke does only affect the smoker. It's also affect everyone nearby. I believe everyone has the right to breathe clean air while they are studying or working on campus.
Some people say that smoking is a personal choice and everyone has the right to smoke. What do you think about that?
I respect that opinion because everyone has the freedom to make their own choices. However, personal freedom should not harm other people. For, for example, if someone is smoking near students who are studying or having a discussion, the smoke can distract them and make them uncomfortable. Some students may even have asthma or other breathing problem, so cigarette smoke could seriously affect their health. That's why I think smokers should also respect the rights of other people. In, Instead of allowing smoking and everywhere, universities should provide designated smoking areas away from classroom and public spaces.
What impact does smoking have on in academic environment?
The impact is actually quite significant. From a health perspective, cigarette smoke contain harmful chemicals like nicotine, tar, and carbon monoxide. These substances are dangerous not only for smoking but also for people who breathe the smoke. From an environmental perspective, cigarette butts are often thrown on the ground, making the campus look dirty and creating unnecessary waste. Academically, smoking can also affect the learning atmosphere. Imagine students working on group project in the campus garden, and someone starts smoking nearby the smoke can make the environment uncomfortable, and some students may decide to leave. Small institution like this can reduce the quality of learning on campus.
Do you have events and to support your opinion?
Oh yes, according to the World Health Organization, there is no safe level of exposure to scandal smoke. Even people who don't smoke can face a higher risk of heart disease, lung disease, and other serious health problems. if they regular break cigarette smoke. In Indonesia, the Ministry of Health also promotes smoke-free areas, including school and university. The purpose is to create a healthier environment for students, learn, lecturers, and staff. So, banning smoking on campus is just about making rules. It's about protecting everyone's health.
So what do you think is the best solution?
In my opinion, the best solution is to keep the main campus areas smoke-free while still providing designated smoking areas that are located far away from classroom, libraries, cafeterias, and other public spaces. This way, smoking can still smoke without disturbing other people, and everyone can enjoy a healthier and more comfortable learning environment. I also think universities should organize campaign and educational program about the danger of smoking so students can make better decisions about their health.
Thank you very much for saying your thoughts today. To sum up, banning smoking on campus, it's not about taking away people's rights. It's about protecting health, safer, and more comfortable and more for everyone in the university's communities. Thank you for listening to today's episode. We'll see you again our next campus podcast. Goodbye, everyone.
Go!
Hello everyone and welcome back to our Hijau Podcast. I'm Hidir, your host for today episode. In our previous episode, we discussed the importance of creating a healthy campus environment by implementing smoke-free campus. We learned that a comfortable and healthy environment help students learn better. Today, we're going to continue our discussion by talking about another important factor that can help students succeed with is learning English. Many people believe the English is one of the most important skill for university students in this era of globalization. However, some students still think that English is not really necessary. To discuss this topic, we have our guest speaker Akbar. Hello Akbar, how are you today?
Hello, Idir. I'm doing right. Thank you for inviting me to this podcast. I am real happy to be here because I think this is an important topic for university student.
Great. Let's begin with the first question. Why do you think university students should learn English even do we live in Indonesia and use Indonesia in our daily life?
I mean, opening English is very important because it's in international use in education, business, science, and technology. Universities students of often ask to read academic journals, read papers, and textbook. Most these are written in English. If students understand English, they in the original source without spending on translation. This helps them to get more heights and to get information according to Scopes, one of the world's text academic database. Most international reads articles are published in English. The issue with English is essential for improving students' knowledge and academic performance.
That's a very good point. Besides helping students in their studies, how does English influence their future career?
English has impact on career opportunities now at this means companies actually multinational companies require employees to have good English communication skills. Even local companies often with international clients and business partners, employees who speak English have more of to get better jobs, performance, profits international, and even break the board. Today, where economic forum communication skills and linking professional and more the most important skills. Needs student global plus before learning English is an also provide focus learning.
Nowadays, we have translator apps and artificial intelligence that can translate language instantly. Do you think students still need to learn English?
Yes, I would say technology is very helpful, but it's not replace human communication. Translate apps translate words, quotes, but for you to understand the real meaning or context for during job in the, in the first sets or international, these has we not depend on translation all the time. We need to converse and next here. So I believe I should teach you as learning tool, not as replacement for learning English.
Okay. How does English help students in study technology and digital world?
English plays very important role in technology. Most programming language, software, documentation, online course, and technology website your English information about in the listening marketing and new technology is usually published in English first. If students understand English, they can learn new skill faster for global development and competence. People from different English also makes it easier to communication with people from around the world and in international conference.
Some students feel that English is difficult to learn. What advice would you give them?
My advice is simple: do be everyone of making mistakes. Learning takes time, and everyone start from the beginning. Student can improve their English by read short articles from English, move with Starburst, listening to English podcasts, and practicing speaking with friends every day. It's consistent if we practice a little every day and English will improve.
Before we end today's discussion, could you give us a short conclusion?
Of course, in concern, learning English is not only about goods university, it's also about people always for the future. English helps students ex international, improve academic performance, communicate with people from and English during career opportunities. It also helps keep with technology development in this modern world. subject based a verbal skill that will benefit them through their life.
Thank you very much, Akbar, for sharing your valuable thoughts. From today's discussion, we can conclude that just like a healthy campus environment support learning, learning English is also an important way for students to prepare for academic success, future career, and global communication. Thank you for everyone who listened to today campus podcast. I am Hidir and will you soon next episode. Goodbye everyone and have wonderful day.